Welcome to the Career Transformation Program in R Programming with Data Analytics. This specialization is tailored for mathematics and statistics students and is offered in collaboration with IBM and the IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub Foundation. This program promises to transform your theoretical foundation into high-impact industry skills using R programming. You can target job-ready roles like data analyst, statistician, quant analyst, data scientist, and ML engineer. Skilled R programmers can expect a starting salary of 4 to 7 LPA, with potential for senior leadership roles reaching 35 to 60 LPA plus. The salary trajectory in India for R analytics professionals shows significant growth potential. Key drivers for this growth include building a strong portfolio of projects, developing statistical depth, mastering data storytelling, and gaining valuable domain exposure in high-value sectors. Gain credibility that converts with this program, built with industry standards in mind. Benefit from an industry-curated curriculum, a co-branded certification, and expert masterclasses. You will also get access to real data sets, project-based learning, and comprehensive career support services. The learning pathway is structured over 6 to 8 months, progressing through 4 stages: foundation, intermediate, advanced, and expert. Each stage culminates in milestones or a capstone project to ensure you are job-ready, moving from basic R scripts to predictive model deployment and industry project showcases. The program helps you master a wide range of mathematical, statistical, programming, and analytical skills. From probability models and hypotheses testing to R scripting and data interpretation, you will build a comprehensive skill set essential for data analytics careers. Master the complete R ecosystem for data science by utilizing core tools like R Programming and RStudio. You will also gain expertise in data wrangling with Tidyverse and dplyr, creating visuals with ggplot2, and building interactive web applications with Shiny. The curriculum also covers specialized libraries like Caret for machine learning, Forecast for time series analysis, and Lubridate for date and time manipulation. The comprehensive curriculum consists of 10 modules and over 250 hours of learning. Modules cover topics ranging from R programming fundamentals and data structures to mathematical computing, probability and distributions, and data visualization. The second half focuses on data cleaning, regression analysis, hypothesis testing, time series analysis, and machine learning with R. Project 01 focuses on stock market analysis. The objective is to analyze historical stock trends and build predictive models using statistical rigor. This project uses NSE/BSE historical stock prices and macroeconomic indicators, applying techniques like time series decomposition and ARIMA models, culminating in a forecasting dashboard. Project 02, Population Growth Modeling, aims to build robust mathematical models for demographic trend analysis and forecasting future population growth using differential equations. Datasets include national census data and UN population division estimates, employing models like logistic/exponential and parameter estimation, resulting in demographic analysis reports. Project 03 covers customer behavior analysis to discover distinct customer segments and predict purchase propensity. This project utilizes transaction logs and customer demographics, applying techniques like K-means, random forest, and lift analysis, culminating in customer segment profiles and a targeted marketing plan. Launch your career with a competitive advantage. Target roles like data analyst and data scientist in hiring sectors such as finance, insurance, and technology. Benefit from a co-branded certification, a professional portfolio, and a strong math core combined with advanced R programming skills. Admissions are open for the next cohort.